Hi, my name's Eric from the Bicycle Shop here in State College, PA. Today I'm going to talk about how to operate a quick release on a front wheel. We sell a lot of bikes, and one of the questions is how do you take a wheel off and how do you put the wheel back on? A lot of bikes nowadays have what's called a quick release on them, and it's actually a pretty simple affair. It's just a cam, and when you lever out, it opens up, it unclamps the front fork and the wheel comes out. To start, first thing you want to do is to take the wheel off, is to open up the brake and then pull on a quick release, all right? And it cam's open, but the wheel still won't come out of the bicycle. Now the opposite side is threaded on, all right? Unthread this side, just a little bit, a couple turns, and the wheel should come out. Oh, a couple more. And unthread it and the wheel comes out. There's the little tabs here in the bottom, so in the event that the wheel, the quick release came open while you're riding, it wouldn't fall off. All right, now to put the wheel back on, slide it back in here, line it up with the brake, slide it on. Big thing is make sure the weight of the bike is down on the wheel, because the wheel can get clamped in there crooked and your brakes will be rubbing. So make sure the weight of the bike's on it. Now if you notice, you go to close it up, it doesn't do anything. All right, so you have to tighten this side down, the opposite side down a little bit. All right, start closing it, still nothing. Tighten it down. You want to tighten it till it starts getting tight about halfway. All right, so it's loose, 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 starts getting tight. And I like to tighten it, grab a spoke, and you should take a little bit of force to push it in. All right, a lot of times we always say it should leave like a little imprint in your hand when you're pulling it in tight. Close your brake, and there you go, front wheel's installed.